majority of women who are on hormonal birth control are not actually on it for contraceptive purposes. They're using
Mhm.
it to help balance their hormones. And I'm doing little air quotes there because it doesn't actually balance anything. When you're on your bleed is like when you're most intuitive. So the
Mhm.
right and left side of your brain actually have more communication and access to each other this time, which equals that female intuition. Like gut health probiotic sodas, like I wouldn't
Right.
with those with a 10-foot pole. Like I think that men learning about their partner's cycle, learning about the different seasons of their cycle and when they're more likely to be in the mood for X or Y, depending on where they're at in their cycle, creates so much harmony in a relationship. I have a little chart. I can send you a link. We can put it in the show notes to like put on
Yeah.
the fridge for like when you're in this phase, these are the activities. This is the way I want to socialize. This is the way I want to eat.
This is 100% going to be in the show notes. Send it to your boyfriend and your partner. They're going to be very appreciative too. It's like Taco Tuesdays, Sushi Sundays. It's like, ooh, she wants sushi right now. Okay. All right. I know what that means. Hell yeah. It's like, so